Hey friends, Quincy here. I just wanted to do an unboxing and also a demo of some microphones that I just purchased, and we'll see how they perform. I don't know much about them. The reviews are fairly good, but I still want to check. It is the Presonus PM-2 matched pair of condenser microphones. Okay, so they're small diaphragm. I'm gonna open up this box. We're gonna go through a little bit of what's in here, and then I will do a demo here and attach it to this same video. All right, here we go. Opening it up. That's some paperwork. There you go. Okay, here they are. They look pretty nice, actually. They're, of course, they're wrapped really well, and you get the two microphones. Pretty much they are the same all the way across the board, just two of them. So they're nice. They're fairly light, but not a problem as long as they perform. Another package. Same mic. Pretty good. All right, so then you get this very cool silica gel pack, which we all love those. You get two mic clips. All right, both identical, so I'll show you one of those. You get windscreen covers, one for each. Then you get the mount bar so that you can mount both of them, so you can set them up on one stand and then set them up in an XY configuration, which is said to be the best. Look that up for when you're miking your acoustic guitars or whatever it is you're miking. But there's that. These require the phantom power, so you'll want to make sure that whatever mixer you're using to connect these with, that you have that available, phantom power on your mixer board, whatever. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set them up real quick here, and then I'll A/B it with my signal going direct and also with the microphone. All right, so I'm back. I've got everything set up. I got the camera set a little bit low just so you can kind of see how I have it. I've got it it's about a foot away from the microphones. I've got XY configuration, so they're crossed over for a stereo field. Now that probably, I don't know how that's going to come out on a phone with the input that I have, but anyways, that's the way you would generally set that up if you're wanting to do a stereo field type signal. Then you pan one to the left, pan one to the right, and you got more of that happening. So anyways, that's how I've set them up. I've got them set up over here on the board flat. EQ wise, I've got the gain at unity, and I also have the faders at unity. I have the master at unity. So that just, everything's right there. Across the board level, same. I have a direct input here for the guitar going into one channel, and I have these two mics going to two other separate channels. And we'll A/B them. Nothing fancy here in what I'm going to play, but just get an idea. I will shut this one off. First one's going to be direct. So here we go. So as you can hear, that's fairly kind of plasticky sounding and just kind of what you'd expect from a direct signal. So next we're going to go ahead and do two mics without this. The PM2s, Presonus PM2s. So that is with the mics. They look about a foot away from the guitar. Obviously, I can tell there's a little bit of EQing that you could do on these to roll off some of those proximity effects, the low rumbles and that sort of thing, and maybe just kind of just adjust it a little bit to your liking. But overall, I'm loving the sound that I'm getting. These mics are not that expensive. Matter of fact, these are very budget-oriented microphones. You're gonna go in at about $129 to $149 that you can get them. I'm sure they're on Amazon. I'll put a link there. They're on Sweetwater, which is where I got these. I'll put a link there to those if you're interested in getting these. Now, my goal in general is to build a cabinet of microphones that are economical, that anybody would have, anybody could have, that is attainable and reasonable in price. And that's my goal. And so I want to do these little reviews on these. I have other microphones. Any of the microphones right now that I have in my vicinity right here are all budget microphones. This one is actually a Studio Projects microphone a C3, which I bought in it was 2001 is when I got this microphone. So it's vintage, but it was only a $350 mic-ish around that time as well. But it has served me well. It's got a great sound. Love it. It's kind of one of my go-tos, but I've got others as well. Back to the PM2s. I think they sound great. I'm going to do a little bit more, play out using those. But wait, first, you know what I'll do? I'll go back to the direct signal just so we can get a quick A/B. PM2s. All right, that's it for today, kids. Thanks.